Lovely mother just went grocery shopping. We're gonna do a little fridge restock. At this point, it's not really a fridge restock. It's just gonna be called me shoving shit in my fridge. Ooh. Let's get started. Lemon ricotta cheese. We have all the Thanksgiving items. These are the best ice cream sandwiches.
These are amazing. Pomegranate juice, grape juice, and elderberry juice. There's no added sugar, just the sugars in the juices. Delish.
Waffle cookies with cannoli dip. Thank me later.